Start large scale acquisition of agricultural and abadi land of farmers of different villages of Greater Noida and Noida of district Gautam Buddha Nagar in the name of planned industrial development is the subject matter of challenge in these 471 writ petitions. These writ petitions have been placed before this full bench under orders of Honorable the Chief Justice dated 6/8/2010 on a reference made by a division bench in writ petition number 35580 of 2010 and other connected matters. Writ petition number 35580 of 2010 challenges the notifications dated 12/3/2008 issued under section 4 read with sections 17 in bracket 1 and 17 in bracket 4 of Land Acquisition Act and notification dated 36/2008 by which declaration was made for acquisition of 645 hectares land of village Patwari. Similar notifications under section 4 read with section 17 in bracket 1, 17 in bracket 4 and section 6 of the Land Acquisition Act were issued with regard to different villages. Several writ petitions were filed challenging the land acquisition, which writ petitions came for hearing before the division bench on 26/7/2010. Next para. One of the submissions made before the division bench was that the state had wrongly invoked the provisions of section 17 bracket 1 and 17 bracket 4 of the Land Acquisition Act hereinafter referred to as Act and the right of objection under section 5A was wrongly dispensed with. Hence, the entire acquisition proceedings deserved to be set aside. The petitioners placed reliance on a division bench judgment of this court dated 19/7/2010 passed in writ petition number 17068 of 2009 Karan Singh versus State of UP and others, in which the judgment the division bench of this court held that invocation of the provisions of sections 17 bracket 1 and 17 bracket 4 of the act was not justified, and relying on the judgment of the apex court in Ramesh versus State of UP reported in 2010 5 Supreme Court cases 533 and judgment of the apex court dated 6/7/2010 in Greater Noida Industrial Development Authority versus Virendra Kumar reported in 2010 in bracket 6 ADJ 480 quest. The notification dated 12/3/2008 and 36/2008. Next para. Learned Counsel for the State refuting the submissions of the Learned Counsel for the petitioners relied on another division bench judgment of this court dated 25/11/2008 in writ petition number 45777 of 2008 Mahesh Chand and others versus State of UP and others, in which judgment invocation of section 17 in bracket 1 and 17 bracket 4 was upheld and the writ petition was dismissed, in which same notifications dated 23/2008 and 21/7/2008 were under challenge. Faced with large number of writ petitions challenging the land acquisition by farmers of different villages of Greater Noida and Noida, and noticing two conflicting views expressed by two different division benches on the same notifications, the division bench passed following order on 30/11/2010. Next para. Against this background, prima facie, we are of the view that a larger bench is required to be formed for the purpose of hearing these matters, not only in respect of the villages in question, but also for all the acquisition matters in respect of the New Okhla Industrial Development Authority, and Greater Noida Industrial Development Authority for the ends of justice to reduce the fume and to avoid the multiplicity of the proceedings. Stop.